In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Salesforce. Whether you're working in an international environment or simply prefer to use Salesforce in a different language, adjusting these settings is easy and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Salesforce login page. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the login option. Hover over it and then select Salesforce. This will direct you to the login page if you're not already logged in. Now enter your email address and password to access your Salesforce account. Make sure your credentials are correct, and if you're having trouble, ensure your caps lock is off since passwords are case sensitive. Once you're logged in, direct your attention again to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click on it to reveal a drop down menu. This menu contains a variety of options related to your account settings. From this drop down menu, click on Settings. This action will navigate you to the settings page where you can adjust a range of personal preferences. Now look for the language and time zone option. Once found, click on it. This section is where you can alter your language settings to suit your preference. Next you'll see a drop down menu designated for language selection. Click on this drop down and you'll be presented with a list of available languages. Scroll through and select the language that you wish to use. Take your time to make sure you choose the correct one, as this will change the entire interface language. Finally, once you have selected your preferred language, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button on the page and click it. This step is crucial as it ensures that the choices you've made are applied to your account. And there you have it, your Salesforce interface should now be displayed in the language you selected. If you need to change it again in the future, simply follow these steps. This feature is particularly useful for multilingual users who might interact with different languages frequently. Remember, being comfortable with the language you use can significantly enhance your productivity and make navigation through Salesforce much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you customize your Salesforce experience to better suit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.